Hello students, today we will do exercise 5.1 question number 11. So the question is, in the following figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? If yes, give reason. So you can see here, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So you can name here A and B. So adjacent angles are that angle in which they have a common vertex and one common arm. But you can see here angle vertex of angle 1 is A at point A and the vertex of angle 2 is at point B. So A and B is not common point, where you can say not common vertex. Okay? So that's why angle 1 and angle 2 is not the adjacent angle. Here, so if you write here angle 1 and angle 2 is not adjacent because angle 1 and angle 2 have no common vertex. ठीक है, एडिशनल एंगल्स वो होंगे जिनका सिर्फ कॉमन वर्टेक्स और कॉमन आर्म होगा. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन एंगल 1 का वर्टेक्स A पॉइंट पे है एंड द वर्टेक्स ऑफ एंगल 2 इज एट पॉइंट B. दैट्स व्हाई एंगल 1 and angle 2 is not adjacent angles. So next question number 12. Find the value of x, y and z in each of the following. So there are two parts, first and second one. We have to find the missing value of x, y and z in both these questions. Okay. So first you can see here there are two intersecting lines. Line this one and this one. So there are two pairs of vertically opposite angle. There are two pairs. So vertically opposite to this angle is which one? Angle x. That's why angle x is equal to 55 degree. So you can write a vertically opposite angle. Now next, this y angle is opposite to this angle z. But now we have to find one of the value, either y or z. So you can write here angle y plus angle this 55 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree, because this is linear pair. You can see here this is a straight line, and a straight line the angle is always of measure 180 degree. That's why y plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. So result is what? Linear pair. So now from this you can find the value of y, and y is what? 180 degree minus 55. So 180 minus 55 how much? 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 5 2 1. So angle y is 125 degree. Now you can see here vertically opposite to this y is which angle? Angle z. Now you can write here angle y is equal to angle z is equal to also measure 125 degree. You can write the reason vertically opposite angle. So this is your first part. Now the second part is find the value of x, y and z. So first you can see here these two are the intersecting lines. These two are. These are intersecting lines. So you can see here the vertically opposite of this y is which angle? Vertically opposite to this z is 40 degree. So you can write here z is equal to 40 degree. The result is vertically opposite angle. Alright. Now this is a straight line. This is a straight line, and this two angles form what? This forms a linear pair. Now in this linear pair, first angle is y and second one is 40. It is equal to 180 degree, forms a linear pair. From this you can find the value of y. So y is what? 180 degree minus 40 degree. Y is 140 degree. So this is the value of y. Now you can see here this is also a straight line, and this complete angle also forms what? Linear pair. So in this linear pair there are total three angles. First one is 40 degree, second is x, and third one is 25. So you can write here 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree is equal to 180 degree. Because there are three angles in this linear pair. First is 25, second one is x, third one is 40. Is equal to 180 degree. Also write reason here. linear pair. Now from this you can find the value of x. Now 40 plus 25, how much? It is 65, and take the 65 on the right side. The value of x is what? 180 degree minus 65. So x is how much? 150 degree. So this is the value of x, this is y, and this is z. Measure of x angle is 150 degree, while measure of y angle is 140 degree, and measure of z is 40 degree only. So this is your question number 11 and question number 12. Next, question number 13, fill in the blanks. So there are total 6 fill-ups. The first is, if two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is dash. So what are complementary angles in which the sum of two angles is how much? 90 degree. The answer is 90 degree. दो angles complementary होते होंगे जो दोनों का sum 90 degree होगा. Okay. Second part is, if two angles are supplementary. So the same question. If you complementary सीखा and this question it is supplementary. Then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. दो एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री उस टाइम होंगे जो दोनों का सम 180 होगा. Next, third is, two angles forming a linear pair are dash. So what is linear pair? This is straight line, and these two angles form a linear pair. So in the linear pair, the sum of angle is how much? 180 degree, and you can also tell as supplementary. दो एंगल्स linear pair होता है उनकी जगह की नहीं supplementary, because in supplementary the sum of angle is also 180 degree. Fourth part, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form dash. So same question. If it is a linear pair, then it is supplementary. If it is supplementary, then they form a what? Linear pair. Clear? Next, if two lines intersect a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always dash. So if two lines intersect at a point, suppose that these are intersecting lines, it is intersecting at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always. These angles are always what? This vertically opposite to this one, and this vertically opposite to this one. They are always equal. ये हमेशा equal होंगे. Suppose the measure of this angle is 40 degree, then it is also 40. If the measure of this angle is 100 degree, then it is also 100 degree. Alright. Now ask 6 one. If two lines intersect at a point, and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are dash. So same question is already. So लिखा है कि अगर कोई two lines intersect कर रहे हैं single point पे, if one of them vertically opposite angles are acute angle, अगर कोई इनर acute angle है, suppose कर लो ये angle है 40 degree, it is also 40, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles, फिर जो दूसरा pair होगा second pair, वो की होगा, it is right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, whatever. So you can see here, this is a straight line, and these two angles form a what? These two angles form a linear pair. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and if one of them is 40, then what is the other? You have to subtract 40 from 180. So 180 minus 40 is how much? 140 degree. So this 140 degree angle is what? Acute, right, or obtuse? It is an obtuse angle, because obtuse angle is that angle in which measure of angle is more than 90 and less than 180. So the other pair of vertically opposite angle is obtuse angle. Okay, so this is your question number 13. So this is your last question number 14 of exercise 5.1. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. So this question is same as question number 9 that we have already done. So I will explain in the brief. Obtuse vertically opposite angles. So लिखा है कि वो किड़े vertically opposite angles में जिन्हें obtuse होंगे. Obtuse means more than 90, less than 180. So you can see here, these are the intersecting lines, and these two pairs are obtuse vertically angled. So our answer is angle AOD equal to angle BOC. You can see here angle AOD, angle BOC. So these are the pairs of obtuse vertically opposite angle. and these pairs are acute vertically opposite angles. ठीक है. So second is adjacent complementary angles. So adjacent angles कितने हैं? जिन्हें complementary angles. It means sum of that angle is 90 degree. So you can see here. This is 90 degree, and there are on the left side there are two angles, and these both angles are adjacent angles, and sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So angle A is angle BOA and angle AOE is equal to 90 degree. इनका sum 90 होगा. Okay. Third one is equal supplementary angles. So equal supplementary का मतलब दो angles जिनका sum 180 होगा और दोनों angles एक दूसरे से equal होंगे, same होंगे. So suppose the sum of two angles is 180 and both of are equal, then the measure of one angle is 90 degree. एक angle का measure 90 degree होगा. So we can change this angle first one and second one this one. So angle A is angle BOE, second one is angle EOD. You can see here angle BOE plus angle EOD is equal to 180 degree, and the measure of both this angle is 90 degree. Okay. Fourth one is unequal supplementary angles. So angle supplementary होंगे but unequal होंगे, equal नहीं होंगे. So you can write angle. You can see here this one and this one. This is a straight line. These two angles form a what? Linear pair, and these two angles form also supplementary angles, but they are not equal. So the first angle is angle BOC and the second one is angle COD. Angle BOC plus angle COD is 180 degree. The last part is adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. कोई भी adjacent angles लिख लो, but वो linear pair नहीं है, तो उसे कोई भी लिख सकते हो. Angle AOE plus angle EOD, these two angles, they not form a linear pair. Linear pair क्यों देते हैं? जिन्होंने भी sum कितना होगा angles का 180 degree होगा. So we can make so many possible pairs. उसे कोई भी pairs बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? So this is your question number 14.